How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at the Wicked Warnings workbench. What a mess. Anyways, we've got here a brand new Superduty. It is the F350 we're working on right now, but it's basically this is the cargo light for the Superduty. Everybody wants to know how I'm putting strobe lights in there. We put in our LED HAW duo, and let me show you how that's done. You start with your cargo light right here in your hands. Now on the back side of the cargo light, you can see here that you have these OEM LED boards, and you simply unplug those. This does not affect the camera or the third brake light at all, but we do need to unplug those OEM LED boards, and we need to remove them. And you can remove them by simply heating up that little plastic tab that's right there and getting rid of it. And you can see here where it's just a plastic base behind it, and through that base these tiny little LEDs usually shine, but because this is a whole circuit board, there's no room to mount anything in here, so we remove this circuit board, and then what we'll do is go ahead and drill a 1-inch hole right through there like that, and that allows us room to put our LED. I like to use the high dome version, and we slide it right in there, and that goes in place like such, and that allows your strobe light in your cargo light. Now when you do this, you are going to lose the functionality of the door open and the remote unlock that usually lights these up. You can, if you want, to tie the steady burn white in here to another auxiliary switch. I've not had success trying to tie off the factory wiring. The factory switch is sensitive to what's going on here, so don't put the steady wire for the steady burn of this into that, because it also has a dim down from full brightness to 0, and it screws with the body control module a little bit, and eventually it'll shut that circuit off thinking there's an error. So we remove this. You lose the functionality of the factory lighting, the remote control on and off, and the bed lights, they're gone, but you replace it with the LED HAW duo. And as I said, if you feel like you want to run the steady burn wire from the duos up to another auxiliary switch, you can. That's no problem there, and then you can retain the steady burn function off of another auxiliary switch. That's pretty much it. That's how we're doing the LED HAW duo in the 2017 Ford Superduty, as well as F150 third brake light. Doesn't matter if you have a camera or not, doesn't matter if it's a Super Duty or an F150, as long as it's an LED cargo light like this one, this is the procedure. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. This is George again. Get a hold of us on Facebook, like our YouTube page, subscribe, check the comments for a link in the description to buy the LED HAW duo that we're referencing in this kit, and it's always on sale at wickedwarnings.com as well. Make sure to subscribe to the newsletter for a coupon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.